everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY how to do these three ornaments. All the items are from the dollar store, and some of them are going to be totally crafted and some of them are going to be spruced up. I'm going to be showing you how to do this one, how to do this one, and how to do this other one. So stay tuned, please keep on watching to see how they're going to be made and how inexpensive and how simple they look and how they end up looking. Remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. And let's get to doing it, and comment down below what was your favorite ornament that I made for you guys. Let's get started.
For the first ornament, we're going to take two ornaments from the Dollar Tree, the ornaments of the letters and these little snowmans, vintagey snowmans. We're going to take these two together and make one awesome ornament.
This is how it end up looking. You can see the little ornament. You can hang it from either one. I'm gonna test until later. You have the L. You can obviously use different little ornaments to go with the letter, but you can take another little simple ornament and make it a little bit more nicer. I have two L's because I have Luna and I have Layla and I have Sharpie here, the 2020, but they look so cute. To do this other personalized, customizable ornament, you need the ornaments from the Dollar Tree, from the DIY ornaments, and this is the big one, is the ball one, and you will need the ornament filler. Now these ornament fillers, they have many. They have like this kind of like snowy one, and then they have like the Christmas one. I think they also have stars, and they might have had another one. You need this, like I'm going to be making two, so I have that, and you'll need a Sharpie or a marker or something that you're going to write their name with, and then let's get to doing the ornaments. These are really fun, and I like them because they're plastic and they're not glass, so they're less dangerous. Okay, I forgot to tell you that you guys need your Mod Podge. I have this Mod Podge gloss. You can do an ornament. I took off the little clip from the top so it'll be easier for me. And then I'm gonna grab the Mod Podge with a brush, and I'm going to paint, as if so, like say to paint the bottom of the ornament like this, and I'm gonna go kind of curvy and wavy, not necessarily on a line, on a straight line, just because I want it to look a bit filled, but it's not filled. Once you do that, then you put your scatter, your little things here. I'm going to be using the one that has all the colors instead of just the red one. While that one gets dry, we can get started on my other one, which I'm gonna be making with these two. You can also do that if you just want to put a little bit and then kind of spread it out and then do again. But it's easier, I would think it saves time if you just coat it with a generous coat of Mod Podge and then do your sprinkling with this one, because these are not like glitter, the fine glitter. This is like scattered kind of for the birthdays. I don't know if you have seen those, but it's more, it's like a thicker confetti like filler. And this is how this one ended up to be. It's still drying, but I'm very impatient and I wanted to show you. You can see these scatter here are little circles, and it kind of looks filled up and not having to actually fill it up. I also put a little bit of Mod Podge on the lettering because I did put it with Sharpie, so just to protect it from being scratched off, I did put Mod Podge, but that's how this one looks. And then this one is still very fresh, but like I told you, I'm very not patient right now. And this one is how this other one looks. You can see these are like hexagons or pentagons, hexagons, and I did put little snowflakes on the side, and you can see I did the swap. This is red lettering with black outline, and this is black lettering with red outline, but they look so cute, don't they? And they have the name of it, and they are pretty big ornaments, so these are good filler ornaments for the trees, for big spaces. This end up being really nicely, and that's how this one's for these other little ornaments right here, is these ones are also from the dollar store. You can see right here, these ones we're just going to spice up because they're already great as it is. They're little like a snowball, and they're so fussy, and I love their nose because it's actually like crooked, like a little carrot. So I'm gonna be doing two, like I said, for my two daughters, and they already have some kind of a spice up, but I think they're very sad looking. So I'm gonna be using the little holly leaves from the ornament fillers that I just showed you, and then spice this one up. Look at this. You can see they already have one, but it's kind of sad. So we're going to spice it up a little bit more with these stickers. So we just simply unstick and then do this. But now I'm going to stick back, or try to not unstick so much of the thing so they kind of pop up like this. So instead of unsticking all of it, you're gonna get and cut half of it. They're pretty sticky, so cut half of it and keep that one clear. And then okay, once we have that, we're gonna grab our little ribbon. I did get this from the Dollar Tree as well, and this is like the plaid or kind of like that. And we're gonna make a big bow from the bottom of it. And I'm going to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna cut right about here and make a big. And now the ornament looks even better. Look at this. It looks so cute, doesn't it? And this is how these little snowman heads end up looking. They look a little bit more expensive and kind of Hobby Lobby and like Michael's ornament kind of feeling, or at least that's what I want to think. The little snowman is pretty cute by itself already, but I think it's cuter with look at these little wires coming up. It is cuter when it has these little ribbons or these little bows right on the top. Right on the top in the little hat or the little beanie. Looks a little bit cuter with the 3D little holly leaves over here, and you can see that they look super nice. I have two again for my two daughters, Luna and Layla, and they look so cute. I love these little snowmans because of the nose that is so realistic, and it's so soft and cute. And of course little balls are for the little girls, and I didn't want it to be so much like white and red like the hat, to have a little bit of contrast, but that's how these other ones look. And since they are big, you can also use these as fillers and fill them up with bigger things. But yeah, that is all of the little ornaments that I made for you guys, like spruce up and make it cuter, or actually made it from scratch like a cake. That's how this one looks, totally made from the top, from the beginning, or kind of combine two ornaments and make it into one simple and unique little ornament. Yep, that is all that I have for you guys today for this DIY ornament. 3 little ideas that you can do yourself as well. Everything is from the dollar store. And don't forget to click subscribe, comment down below which one is your favorite. And I will see you in another video with other 3 ideas of ornaments, but these ornaments will be painted. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video over there. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Bye.